Inconsistency causes complexity. Imagine trying to build a Lego castle with instructions that keep changing. Confusing, right? That's what inconsistency is like. When things aren't the same all the time, it makes things harder and more complicated. Today, we'll talk about how inconsistency makes things more complex, even for simple tasks. While working with Scrum teams may occasionally need to adjust the timing of sprint events like planning, review, daily scrums, or retrospectives due to unforeseen circumstances. Rescheduling sprint events can disrupt team flow and impact the predictability of the sprint. Reasons for time adjustment may vary. For example, when an engineer comes to you and says, "Unfortunately, a personal matter has come up that prevents me from attending the event as scheduled. Would it be possible to reschedule for another date?" Another date, the product owner says, "Hi, I apologize, but I have a user meeting scheduled at the same time as our event. Would it be possible to reschedule the event for another date?" On the last day of the sprint, we realized we could save some time. Team says, "We finished review meeting early. Please do retrospective immediately to save time." Similar situation, but for review meeting, team says, "We have finished all items related to goal. Please do sprint review earlier." Changing the meeting time can be disruptive, as some stakeholders, especially external ones like project managers, customers, and users, might miss the updated schedule. It could lead to reduced participation and hinder effective communication. A Scrum Master plays a crucial role in fostering a consistent environment that keeps the team focused and communication flowing smoothly. How can a Scrum Master ensure the team stays focused and communication remains uninterrupted? Scrum Master should know why behind the changes. Instead of shutting down requests, the Scrum Master should facilitate a discussion to understand why the team wants to change the meeting schedule. Are there scheduling conflicts? Does the current time not work well for everyone's focus or energy levels? Accommodating individual needs can be helpful. Perhaps some team members have focus time in the mornings that could be optimized by having the daily scrum earlier. Transparency and trade-offs. Discuss the importance of consistency for team focus and predictability. Explain the trade-offs of constant schedule changes, such as difficulty for external stakeholders to attend or disruptions in individual routines. Constant schedule changes can disrupt team rhythm and focus. Explore if alternative solutions, like agenda adjustments, can address individual needs without jeopardizing the sprint goal. Gather feedback. Use retrospectives to gather team feedback on the current meeting schedule. Is it truly causing confusion or inefficiency? Explore alternative solutions or adjustments based on team input. In conclusion, inconsistency acts as a major roadblock to streamlined processes and clear communication. It can introduce confusion, disrupt workflows, and ultimately lead to increased complexity. By prioritizing consistency in communication practices, meeting management, and overall processes, a Scrum Master fosters a focused and well-coordinated team environment. This, in turn, paves the way for efficient project delivery and a successful project outcome. Thank you for the opportunity to explore this topic.